respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Meenakshi from class 10. Today I am here to share my views on mobility in the age of technology. Firstly, what is the meaning of mobility and technology? In Hindi, mobility is naitikta. Mobility is an important part of human life. It is concerned with the distinguish between what is right and wrong for a human being. And technology, in Hindi, technology is technique. Technology is a tool, a powerful tool for making things better in easier way. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, we find ourselves at a crossroad. Technology has revolutionized our lives, bringing opportunities for connection, innovation and progress. However, it has also raised some fundamental questions about our morality, ethics and our values as a society. In this era, we face numerous challenges that test our moral fiber. We grapple with issues like cyberbullying, online harassment and spread of misinformation. As we move forward, it is essential to remember that technology is a tool, not a substitute for a human value. We must prioritize empathy, kindness and respect in our online interaction, because it is common that in our online interaction, we are able to see or share everything that is in our mind, but we cannot say everything in front of anyone. But everything has positive as well as negative aspect. The negative aspect of technology, such as exploitation of personal data. One of the greatest challenges is the issue of privacy. When we share more and more our life online, we are creating a digital footprint that can be used to track, manipulate and exploit us. Another challenge is the issue of spread of misinformation. Social media platform has made it easier than ever for false information to spread. Mobility in the age of technology requires us to be intentional, thoughtful and compassionate. Mobility in the age of technology is not just about avoiding harms. It is also about using technology for the betterment of the things. Technology can provide access to education and healthcare. Technology has a greater impact on students' life. It brings numerous benefits and opportunities for growth. One of the notable impacts is in online learning, where students can access digital resources, participate in virtual classroom. These flexibilities allow students to learn at their own pace and convenience, making education more informative and accessible. But there are also potential drawbacks that is considered one of the common challenges is the distraction, where social media, online notifications, online entertainment, etc. can divert attention from studies of the students. And excessive screen time can harm our eyes. It led to headache and sleep disturbance. Nowadays, we can find even small kids are making reels or shorts on Moz, Instagram, Likey, WhatsApp, Snap, whatever. And these are seen by both the viewer and the watcher. And in this way, it diverts both the students from studies. At last, I would like to say a thought said by Christian Laws Land. He said that technology is a good servant but a dangerous master. It means that technology has dual nature. If it is used properly, it can be incredibly beneficial, and when it controls us, it can be lead to negative consequences. Thank you.